Blackie is out and about. It's hard to see with the water rippling. And the rest of the koi are still hiding under the big yellow flag. And there's the baby, who's twice as heavy as her tiny mother and looks totally different than her mom. Baby, what are you doing? I have to finish the cobble on that side. There's Blackie. It's hard to see. There's a lovely bunch of hornwort there. Where's that little reel gone to? Oh, Rio, aren't you the cutest? Rio. And that's today in Canada.